The modern UI challenge building. Today's dynamic web UIs can feel immensely complex. That's precisely where React, a JavaScript library, steps in to help craft sophisticated user interfaces. React's core philosophy, React, fundamentally changes how we approach UI construction. It encourages thinking in isolated, manageable pieces, breaking down the entire interface. Introducing components, these pieces are components, self-contained logical units like specialized micromachines, each controlling its own rendering for different UI parts. The power of reusability and DRY components are highly reusable. Define once, implement everywhere, embodying the DRY principle. Don't repeat yourself, ensuring efficiency and consistency. Composition, building complexity. Simply, you then compose these nesting simple components within others. This allows building elaborate UI structures that scale from tiny buttons to entire dashboards. JSX. Bridging markup and logic component structures defined using JSX. It resembles HTML but integrates JavaScript's full power, transforming into browser-readable elements. Declarative programming paradigm JSX enables a declarative approach. You describe the desired UI state. React handles the complex how of updating the DOM, moving away from manual manipulation. State. Encapsulated component logic. Components manage their own internal data and behavior through state. This encapsulated data is reactive. Changes in state automatically reflect in the UI. Props. Configuring components. Data flows down from parent to child components via props.